0.5% of the population study for an examination. 86.2% of the population passed the examination, whilst 14.22% of the population neither studied or passed the examination. Zara passes the examination. She believes it is very likely that she passed by studying for the examination. Determine whether or not she is correct. Okay, if you let S be the proportion of students studying for the examination, and E be the proportion of students who pass the examination. So we know that the probability of S is 0.005. Be careful how you convert 0.5% into a probability. And the probability, so this is those who study, the probability that pass the examination is going to be 0.862 because it's 86.2%. Now, what we need to find is the probability of those who study for the examination or pass the examination. So, but we know the probability who study for the examination or pass the examination but not it is equal to 0.1422. So to find the probability of those who study for the examination and pass is going to be 1 minus 0.1422, which is 0.8578. Now, we need to find the probability who actually studied for the examination and passed. So that's the probability of S intersection E. You get that by doing the probability of S plus the probability of E minus the probability of S union E. So that's going to be equal to the probability of S, which is 0.05, plus the probability of E, which is 0.862, minus 0.8578. That gives me 0.0092. Now, given that Zara passed the examination, what's the probability that she studied? So that we get by doing the probability of S given E, which is calculated by doing the probability of S and E over E. So that's going to be 0.0092 divided by the probability of E, which is 0.862, which gives an answer of 0.01067, which is 1.07%. Therefore, this is very unlikely. Okay, so this question involves you using quite a bit of different types of probability and then actually making a decision on what you've actually calculated. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.